Hello YouTube, Victor here, and today I'll be unboxing some headphones, earphones, whatever. Okay, these are fake by the way, just to let you know. It's got a pretty decent packaging. Let's take that out. Then I got another box, just all this. Let's open it up and looks like packaging didn't go so well. Well, it did take a while. I was walking around with these at the shop, so before I take that out. Okay, so open that later. Headphones. So over here. Okay. Instruction manuals, you don't want to read that. I already know this. I know how to use headphones. Okay, so let's take these earphones out. If I know how to. Yes, these are fake. Some people might think they're real, but these buttons don't really work. I don't know if that is on the real ones or that. So let's take that off, and it's like this. So let's get a little closer. If you can see there. Now as we open this, these spare earplugs to fit your ear, and inside it's like a little carry case. So I believe these are called Tour, made for iPod, works with iPhone, with Control Talk. So yes, that is about it. See, you could see a little bit of plastic coming out. And that. Also got another fake one. This one already opened. I also got this one today. It's these. Don't say Beats, Monster Beats on top. So yes, they are fake. So yes, packaging was done nice, but unfortunately they were fake. So make sure to rate, comment and subscribe, and see you later.